Welcome to Accent Master. Today we are back with the pasta series because you need to know your basics, am I right? So, to pronounce this like a real Italian, you would say rigatoni, 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 rigatoni. All right, let's dissect it a little bit. So the R, of course, is slightly trilled. Don't overdo it. The stress is on to syllable. Rigatoni, rigatoni. Also, the O for the advanced learners or native speakers in standard Italian is an closed O. So it's rigatoni rather than rigatoni with an open O. But then again, there are a lot of people in Italy that do pronounce it with an open O and say rigatoni. So at the end of the day, if you just want to sound native, but you don't particularly care about standard, accentless, if you will, voice acting type of Italian, then you can open it if you want. But if you do care about that, then remember to close it. Rigatoni. Rigatoni. Now, of course, this is a plural word, as you can tell by the I at the end. If you only hold or eat one, for whatever reason, then it would be a rigatone. Rigatone, spelled with an English E rather than an I at the end. So one, rigatone. Many, like in your pasta dish, rigatoni. Buon appetito. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.